If you're managing inventory for a small business or a growing manufacturing operation, you might have come across Fishbowl. It's known for offering a cloud-based solution that scales as your needs get more complex. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about Fishbowl, its features, strengths, weak spots, pricing, and more. So, without further delay, let's get started. Alright, first off, Fishbowl Inventory is not just one single tool. It's a suite of cloud-based solutions designed for different stages of business growth. The software helps companies manage inventory, track orders, streamline warehousing, and even handle manufacturing processes. It's mostly used by small to mid-sized businesses that outgrow basic tools like spreadsheets or entry-level accounting platforms. Fishbowl's strengths lie in bringing everything into one place, so your inventory, sales, and fulfillment are all working together. Now, let's talk about how it's structured. There are 4 versions of Fishbowl's cloud software. The first one is called Fishbowl Basic Inventory. It's built for smaller companies that don't need too many features, just basic tracking, low transaction volume, and simple inventory needs. If your main concern is keeping tabs on what's coming in and out, this plan covers it. Next up is Fishbowl Commerce Suite. This version adds more e-commerce functionality for companies that sell across multiple channels. It lets you sync inventory with online stores, streamline fulfillment, and get better visibility over orders and stock. If you're selling through platforms like Shopify or Amazon and want a smoother back end, this plan fits that purpose well. Then there's Fishbowl Advanced Warehousing. This one is more robust and targeted at larger teams or businesses that need more control over storage, logistics, and reporting. It offers better tools for tracking movement across multiple locations, managing reorder points, and optimizing the whole supply chain. It's a big jump from the basic plan, but it's worth it if you're scaling fast. Finally, we have Fishbowl Advanced Manufacturing. This version is tailored for production-heavy businesses. It covers everything from purchase orders to labor cost tracking, multi-stage bills of materials, and job routing. So, if you're building products and need a tight grip on production workflows, this plan is where it gets serious. Now, when it comes to pricing, Fishbowl doesn't list fixed monthly rates publicly like many other platforms. Instead, they encourage you to request a quote or book a demo, which means pricing can vary depending on your business size and specific needs. The 4 available options are Fishbowl Basic Inventory, Fishbowl Commerce Suite, Fishbowl Advanced Warehousing, and Fishbowl Advanced Manufacturing. Each comes with different levels of functionality and all require a quote to move forward. So overall, Fishbowl is a strong fit if you're growing past simple inventory tools and need something more powerful to handle warehousing, multi-channel sales, or manufacturing. It's not the cheapest solution out there, and it's not built for tiny teams. But once you're ready for a scalable setup that brings everything under one roof, it delivers real value. Alright, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.